Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and remove connections on Zoosk. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, the first step would be for you to access your Zoosk on your mobile phone. Go ahead, access your web browser and simply type in zoosk.com and simply get yourself logged in as well. Once you have done so, you're going to find all of you. Simply going to go ahead, tap on this three line that will be on the top left corner of your screen. Once you have tapped on it, it will show you the information including account, notifications, subscription, and the option called connections. Go ahead, tap on this connections option, and now you're going to find all the profile images that is your connection, and choose the one that you wish to remove. Once you have found that profile, you're going to tap on that profile and profile image of theirs, and then it will pop up a menu including remove connection. Simply go ahead, choose that remove connection option, and again it will ask a reconfirmation. Go ahead, tap on this OK that you do want to remove the connection, and then the particular connection of yours will be removed from there. You will simply be able to remove that connection and can do the same process for the others as well. That is the way you can remove a connection here in Zoosk. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.